We'll guide you through how to make a dashboard in Claude. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser and give it a moment to load so everything is ready. Once it is fully loaded, move your mouse to the search bar and left-click to activate it. Type the word Claude into the bar, then press Enter so the browser can begin searching. Wait until the search results load completely, then look for the first site that shows up and click it. This will take you to the main page, where you can log in or sign into Claude. After you finish logging in, look toward the bottom part of the screen and find the prompt bar. Left-click the prompt bar to make it active, then start typing the prompt you need for creating a dashboard. Make sure you type slowly and check each word so the request is correct and clear before you continue. When you are sure the prompt looks right, move your attention to the model options right below the prompt bar. Pick the model that fits your need for the dashboard you want to make. Right after that, turn on the adaptive thinking setting so the response can follow your request more closely. When everything looks set, press the Generate button. Claude will start working on your dashboard, so wait while it builds the full result. This part can take a moment, so stay patient until the process is done. When Claude finishes generating, read through the dashboard it gives you and check if it matches what you asked for. Look at the layout, the structure, and the way the content is arranged, just to be sure everything lines up with your plan. If something seems off, go back to the prompt and fix whatever might be unclear, but if everything looks good, move on to the next part. Scroll down the page slowly until you find the download button that appears on the Claude page. This button is set for downloading the HTML file of your dashboard. Make sure it is the correct button, then click it so the file can download to your device. After the download begins, wait until it finishes so the file does not get interrupted. Once the download is complete, you now have the HTML dashboard saved and ready to use however you need.